Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to another widget tutorial of the Herald List Carousel. The Herald List Carousel widget is a later version of the Herald List and is made with a carousel format. Let's see how it works. First, on your page, drag the Herald List Carousel. As you can see, this is the first look of our widget. From the layout section, you can change the column number shown on the display, up to 3. The item gap scrollbar lets you increase or decrease the gap between the columns. You can change the image size. However, the bigger the size, the more clear the image will look. On the Query tab, you can set the item limit displayed. You can increase the item limit as long as you like. There are also source options where you can choose what you need to display. From the fields like categories, tags, or formats, you can choose any specific tag. The additional tab has a bunch of switchers, commanding over the items on the display. Take an example like turning on a switcher or off it will make an item on the display appear or disappear. Let's turn off the category button. Whoops, it's gone. Now it appears again. For navigations, we have arrows, dots, progress, or combinations. Let's work with the arrows and fraction combination. You can always position your arrows by center or maybe a different position. Also, there are more than 20 arrowhead styles available. There's a switcher at the end says hide arrows on mobile. Lastly, the carousel settings section lets you edit the animation styles. For starters, you can select the layout as carousel or cover flow. The cover flow is a bit different from carousel style. Keep on the item match height button if you have multiple posts with different length of words. Turning on the center slide button will keep the carousel centered. There's a bunch of other settings on this tab, make sure to watch that carefully. Let's move on to the Style tab. On the first section named Items, you can select any kind of background for the carousel. Let's go and pick a color for the gradient. The color option works for normal and hover modes. Titles are also customizable, with colors of course. Let's change the colors of the meta. Don't forget the category that's above the title. It comes with a separate section to customize the categories. For navigations, you have similar options like color, background, borders, and more. Works with both normal and hover mode. That's it. Your hero list carousel is ready to display. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel and stay updated.